story, Dr. Rizal got blast from so many bullets. Yeah, Mommy?
Okay, and then?
In the movie, Dr. Rizal was actually blast from one bullet.
Oh.
And he got dead, yeah? And you know that the good soldiers fight the bad soldiers. Because the bad soldiers
Okay.
blast Dr. Rizal with one bullet. Yeah? So they're fighting the bad people. Bye-bye.